Hey everyone, it's Captain Oats, and usually I would stream my food that we prepare and cook, bake / grill. However, I wanted to bring you guys a little treat here on YouTube, so I'm going to show you guys how to make the famous Canadian poutine. Now, if you guys don't know what that is, it's cheese curds, potato fries, and gravy. That's literally all it is, and that's another reason why I'm not streaming it. It would go by way too fast. But I'm gonna show you guys how I make my Canadian poutine. So let's get into it. All right, so before you start cooking, you got to make sure you got your ingredients. You need your fries. Now, you can use any type of fry. We like to use the crispy fries just because it gives you that additional crunch when you're eating the poutine. But again, you can use any type of fry that you'd like. As far as gravy goes, with the quarantine and all that, we don't have poutine sauce in the house. You can use any brown sauce though. However, there are, in Canada, you could definitely buy sauce that's made for poutine. It's just got a couple different spices in it, but that's okay because we're going to use this one here. And then the last thing you need is cheese curd. Now, I've seen people use, grated cheese and all that, but the true way to make it here in Canada is to use your cheese curd. Now, we are not sponsored by St. Albert. However, this place is, just a couple miles away from us, and they make some of the darnest best cheese in the area. So that's it. Once you got your ingredients, you just got to start cooking it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to start on your fries, because those are actually going to take the longest. It's 2020, so you know that our preferred method is to use an Actifry, like a lot of people are doing nowadays. It's the guilt-free of not using oil, and it's much faster of cooking them than putting them in the oven and waiting for the oven to heat up. So we got our French fries in the Actifryer. For this one, it's really easy. We leave it at 390 Fahrenheit, and we put it for 24 minutes. And that's it. Now you just gotta work on your gravy while this magic happens. So let's start off on the gravy now. All right, this step's really easy. To make gravy, all you need there, buddy, is you need 1 cup of water. That's it. And your gravy mix. That's it there, bud. And then you want to put your heat over to medium. And that's it. Then you just whisk it in. You wait for it. You do want to whisk it from time to time. It's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes. And then once that's all done, then that's where the cheese curds come in, and we start assembling everything together. So I'll catch you guys just when we're finishing up. All right, now it's time to assemble our poutine. That's what my family calls it. So let's put this poutine together, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. And you wanna act fast, because what you don't wanna do is wait till your ingredients start to get cold, because you want that cheese to get a little bit melty. So what I like to do is just get in there. These fries are still hot from the Actifryer. I'm gonna put a couple fries down. Right, then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna grab some St. Albert cheese curds here, and we're just gonna put them on like so. Then we're gonna take our piping hot gravy, and I'm just gonna put some on right there. Now that right there would technically be a poutine already. That right there is already a poutine. That's what a poutine looks like. However, for me, what I like to do is then add a couple more fries on top. A couple more cheese. Sometimes we do put fresh chives and stuff like that. Onion chives, garlic chives. All right, that's it there. One thing I did forget to show you guys is salt, pepper your fries, or else Gordon Ramsay will come to your house and he'll yell at you. So make sure you salt, pepper your fries. Put other spices too if you want, like garlic, things like that. But that's it. That's your Canadian poutine, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, eh? Alright, so there you have it. That is how you make the Canadian Poutine. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment down below if there's any other recipes you guys want to see. You can also catch the baking, cooking, and grilling live at twitch.tv/CaptainOatsTV. So make sure you guys come check it out there. And also, I just thought I want to start learning to play my bass that's here. This is a Mark Hoppus bass. So put it in the comments down below. Should I start doing music streams? Should we like to watch my progress as I'm learning? Let me know. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay chill. Keep being your awesome selves. And I will catch every single one of you fantastic humans on the next one.